Hello friends watching, welcome back Legends. On this part, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 31 divided by 31 over 9, then times 9. First we do this multiplication. 31 over 9 times 9. We can easily cancel this 9 and this 9. So here we have this 31 only, and 31 divided by 31 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 31 divided by 31 over 9. To do this division, write down the 31, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 9 over 31. And here again we have times 9. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 31 and this 31, which gives 9. And here again we have times 9. So here we have this 9 times 9, which equals 81. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.